I also stop and I sit back and try to answer, what is the real problem, right? And I'm not going to change the world's economic processes, right, and technology advances. But the reality is insurance companies are Fortune 50 companies, and those companies are looking at technology every single day, right? And I recognize fully, as a company, they have every right to innovate. They have every right to try to avoid overhead costs and cost of having personnel in the field and certain adjusters that cost a lot of money. That ultimately comes back in the form of premiums that are charged to policyholders. And so there's a macroeconomic component to the insurance process. And so, the decision to hire companies like a Ladder now comes out of, hey, we're a company and I've got liability, safety issues. I don't want somebody that was, flipping hamburgers last week to be walking on a ladder and slip and fall. And now I've got a liability issue and I'm an insurance company. And that's what we look at as we evaluate risk. And so they develop these procedures. And the end result is sometimes we do end up, unfortunately, where an unskilled person is taking those photos. And when I look at some of the AI advances that are coming up, we're going to see more and more of that is going to happen. And whether or not I like it, and by the way, I don't, I want, boots and chalk on a roof and let's get down and dirty and let's see if it's damaged. But guess what? In 5 years from now, that's not what the world's going to look like.